You can get the full s'mores flavor without the hassle of having to start a fire. Why wouldn't you make this? This is perfect. Happy National S'mores Day. Welcome back to the You Wanna Bite Kitchen, or if it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today, August 10th, is National S'mores Day. I don't expect everyone to be watching this on that day, but I feel like it's always a good time for a s'more, especially in the summer. We're going to be making baked s'mores bars that are incredible without having to build a campfire or get a blowtorch or deal with any sort of fire element. So you are going to get the melty chocolate, the gooey marshmallow, the graham cracker, everything you need in your oven, no fuss. Let's do it. So what you're going to need to make this recipe is 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup and a tablespoon of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, chocolate chips, Hershey bars, mini marshmallows, and graham crackers. I've got all the ingredients already measured out here in front of me, and I am going to be using my stand mixer today, but don't let that scare you off. You could use a hand mixer or just do this manually by hand and it will come out just the same, just a little extra bit of a workout. This is a really quick and easy recipe, so the first step is going to be to preheat your oven to 375, and then we're going to jump in to mixing together our dry ingredients. I'm going to start off by whisking together flour, baking soda, and salt in a medium bowl, and then I'm going to set that aside and now move into the wet ingredients in the stand mixer. The first step is to cream together your butter and your sugars. Give those a nice mix until they're light and fluffy. This texture and color is looking good to me, so I'm going to move on to add in the last of our ingredients, which is 1 egg and a splash of vanilla extract. Now that the rest of our wet ingredients are all combined in here, it's time to slowly incorporate our dry ingredients. So you never really want to overmix this kind of stuff, so just add it in batches until it's just incorporated. The dough has finally come together and it's looking beautiful, so it's time to add in our mix-ins, which is chocolate chips and mini marshmallows. If you know me, there is no such thing as too much chocolate in my world, so I'm just gonna pour these right in. I'm definitely more of a chocolate girl than a marshmallow girl, but I also don't see a point in measuring this, so I'm, again, just gonna eyeball it. Oops. My dog can have that one that fell. Now that everything is mixed in together, it is time to assemble our bars. On a parchment and greased baking sheet, lay out 1 layer of graham crackers. It's okay if it doesn't fit perfectly, mine definitely don't, but then we're going to spoon on our dough. I'm going to try my best to use the spoon here, but it is pretty sticky, so I'm actually just gonna kind of go in and flatten it out across the graham crackers. It's not even, I'm not reaching all the way to the edges here. These are going to go in the oven and bake. Put these in at 375 for just 5 minutes, and then we're gonna pull them out and add more chocolate and marshmallows and graham crackers on top. So the s'mores have finished baking up. They went back in the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes. They're all done. They look beautiful and gooey. So I came outside. I feel like you typically eat s'mores outside, probably in the dark. I feel like outdoors is the right place to eat s'mores. So let's cut into these guys and see what they taste like. Finally time to taste these. You can get the full s'mores experience without the hassle of having to start a fire. Like, you have no excuse. That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and leave a comment letting me know if you want a bite of these s'mores bars.